students. Let's start the class with Brahmanad. Sustam. Before going to the lesson, I would like to read a news item. In a tragic incident, 12 people were killed and 49 injured after a bus fell into the Mahanadi river from a bridge near Jagatpur on the outskirts of the Cuttack city on 20th November 2018. The accident occurred after the private bus on its way to Cuttack from Talcher hit a buffalo on the bridge and crashed into the railing. It fell 30 feet down into the dry riverbed. The driver turned the bus aside to save the animal, and thus the accident happened. The animal also died in the accident. All the injured passengers were rescued and taken to Cuttack Medical College Hospital for treatment. The government of Odisha announced financial assistance of 2 lakh rupees each to the kin of the victims, along with free treatment to the injured passengers, and ordered an official inquiry into the incident. This is the news item I read before you. Now I would like to show the real video about the accident. Let us see the video.
जगतपुर महानदी ब्रिज रे बस दुर्घटना रे लिभि जाइछि 10 टी जीवन दीप किए पुओ को हराइछंती तो आउ किए बापा को किए भाई को हराइछि तो आउ किए मां को गुरुतर आहत होइछंती 50 रु अधिक यात्री समान मध्य 3 जन अवस्था संकटापन्न रही आहत माने एससीबी समेत विभिन्न घरोई मेडिकल रे भर्ती होइछंती सेबडे केउ परिस्थिति रे घटिला एभली मर्मन्तुद बस दुर्घटना किए एथिपाई दायी ताकु नै वर्तमान खोलताड़ जारी रहितबा बेले मृतकଙ୍କ परिवार देखिया को मिलिछि शोकाकुल परिवेश
एपटे एमटेक रे एडमिशन पाई सर्टिफिकेट धरी घर को फेरुतले नयागढ़ सौम्यरंजन साहू हेले से फेरिले पर फेरिछि
पानी मझिरे बाली तारी ऊपर बस पड़ी कहीं जीवार भी बाट ना केवल पोल उपर लक्ष लक्ष लोक खाली गाजर होती सीना ना कहार किसी ना
गवर्नमेंट कौन ओवर स्पीड रे गाड़ी चलिया को नहीं गवर्नमेंट रो कोन कंट्रोल अछि 100 पुलिस
तासह एमपीआई को नेतृत्व रे एक 3 जणिया कमिटी गठन करा जायछि तेबे एही दुर्घटनाग्रस्त बस रो मालिक हेउचंती तालचेर रो श्रीकांत कुमार पाणी सूचना अनुसार बस रो फिटनेस एवं तार अवधि ठीक ठाक थिला कहा जाउछि बसटी द्रुत गति रे आसुथिबा बेले ब्रिज ऊपर महिषी सह धक्का हेबा परे भारसाम्य हराई ओलटी पड़िथिला सेपटे दुर्घटना पर चेता पसिछि कमिशनर
So we have discussed the news about the tragic accident on 20th November 2018. What is this passage about? It is about the tragic accident. What happened after the accident occurred? After the accident occurred, 12 people were killed on the spot and 49 injured. Why did this accident happen? Can you think of some other causes of the accident? What may be the other causes of the accident? As we studied, the bus was going on overspeed and hit the buffalo on the bridge and hit the railing to a side and dropped to the riverbed, and this is the only reason displayed in the news. What may be the other reasons? Think of your own. Suggest some ways to avoid such dreadful accidents. we have to think about the measures or steps, what steps can be taken to avoid such dreadful accidents where people die in large numbers and their life span completed immediately after the accident occurred. So, who is responsible? Why such accidents occur? Let us see, reading the lesson, the Road Safety Week. Many people think that road safety is non-essential, but it is always very necessary. Road safety is of paramount importance as it greatly affects people's lives, whether they know it or not. It is the safety of people from roadside injuries and deaths. It involves various methods and measures which must be followed by the road users to prevent these serious injuries and deaths. People such as pedestrians, motorists, cyclists, passengers, etc., run the risk of injury or death on the road. Everyone needs to be well aware of the road traffic rules to avoid such risks. According to the World Health Organization, most of the hospitalization cases and leading causes of death are due to lack of awareness. So everyone should strictly follow all the rules, regulations and signs of road traffic lights. The rise of accidents due to the increase in number of vehicle users demands a greater need of awareness among people about the road safety. We have read the first paragraph, first point of the lesson, the Road Safety Week. I have collected some difficult words from the first point. Let us discuss the difficult words and their meanings with sentences. Paramount, adjective form, means much more important than anything else. An example, the role of my father in building my career is paramount. Effect, the verb use, that means impact or touch. Example, the medicine affects my heart rate. Various, adjective use, means several. Various types of fruits exhibited in the shops. Method, noun use, a way of doing something in a systematic way, that is called method. Various methods are followed by the washerman to wash clothes. Measures, noun form, means steps. The situation demands strong measures, means strong steps. Prevent, verb form, stop something from doing. We must prevent coronavirus from spreading living in our homes. Pedestrian, people who walk. Lack of, want of. Many people died in the village. Lack of awareness. Awareness means consciousness or having knowledge of. He had no awareness of his mistakes. These are the meanings of the first point or first paragraph we have discussed. Let us discuss the paragraph line by line. Many people think that road safety is non-essential, but it is always very necessary. Road safety, many people think that road safety is non-essential, but it is very necessary, as the life of the people is in the matter. So the life cannot be risked with the thought of the people. So it is much more important. It is always very necessary. Road safety is of paramount importance, as it greatly affects people's lives, whether they know it or not. Whether the people know road safety or not. Road safety is paramount, much more important than anything else, as it affects the life of the people. It is the safety of people from roadside injuries and deaths. It is the safety of the people from roadside injuries. Safety, whether it is necessary or not. I would like to show you a video here. Let us see the video.
ଦୌଡ଼ ଜୀବନ ସମୟ ସହ ବାଟ ଚାଲିବାର ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତା ହେଲେ ସାମାନ୍ୟ ଅସାବଧାନତା ଯୋଗୁଁ ଚାଲି ଯାଉଛି ମୂଲ୍ୟବାନ ଜୀବନ। ସତର୍କତାକୁ ଅବମାନନା କରି ବାଟ ଚାଲିବାର ପରିଣାମ ଭୋଗିବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି ଆମକୁ। ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏକ ଅଘଟଣ।
So we have watched the live accidents recorded in the video. So what do you think about the accidents? Whether the life of the people are much more important, paramount importance, or speed driving or disobeying the traffic signals? You might have seen in the video what happened with the man with his wife behind the bike. So another person who drove his motorcycle too fast and turned to the left and hit the people waiting for the traffic signals on the other side of the road. So they run the risk of their life and the life of other people on the road. So definitely we would say that traffic rules is much more important than anything else. People such as pedestrians, motorists, cyclists, passengers run the risk of injury or death on the road. Mostly pedestrians, people who walk on the road, motorists who drive motors, and cyclists and passengers, etc. They run the risk of injury and death. Run the risk means they take themselves risk. As we saw, the people who were waiting for the traffic signals, and a bike rider rode his bike too fast and hit the other people waiting for the traffic signals on the other side of the road. So that is, he ran the risk. He took the risk of accident. So especially pedestrians, motorcyclists, cyclists, passengers run the risk of injury or death on the road. everyone needs to be well aware of the road traffic rules to avoid such risks. All the people should aware, they should have the knowledge to know the traffic rules, get the traffic rules and obey the traffic rules. According to the World Health Organization, most of the hospitalization cases are leading causes of death are due to lack of awareness. World Health Organization has given a report that the death are due to the awareness. Awareness means lack of knowledge, lack of awareness means lack of knowledge. Knowledge means you might have seen sometimes when the people from villages come to the towns and they are riding their bike or motorcycles, they do not know where to go and where to stay, etc. That is, they are unconscious about the traffic rules. So everyone should strictly follow all the rules, regulations and signs of traffic lights. Traffic lights you might have seen in towns. Green light detects that one should go safely on the road. Here I would like to show a video, small video of different lights.
Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait, yellow light is green. Green light, what do you say? I say go right away. Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait, yellow light is green. Green light, what do you say? I say go right away.
The rise of accidents due to the increase in number of vehicle users demands a greater need of awareness among people about road safety. Rise of accidents, number of accidents rises day by day due to the increase in number of vehicles. Vehicle numbers are increased nowadays. If you go back to 10 years before, there were no vehicles, large number of vehicles at that time, but now you will see in everywhere, people whenever they go to the nearest place also, they take their bikes. So vehicles are used by the people in large numbers, and that is the reason of the accidents. Greater need of awareness among the people about road safety. The awareness must be created among people about the road safety. This is the first point we have studied now. I would advise you to read the first paragraph silently once. Okay, let us discuss some of the question and answers. What do many people think? Many people thought road safety is non-essential. How is road safety is the safety of people? It is the safety of the people from roadside injuries and deaths. Who run the risk of injury or death on the road, especially pedestrians, motorcyclists, cyclists and passengers run the risk of death or injury on the road. This is the first paragraph we have discussed, and we will discuss on the other portions in the next class. Thank you very much.